How to add authorization on your videos on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add authorization on your videos on TikTok. First thing, go to your TikTok. Now all you need to do is choose the video you want to add. Now click on those 3 points and search until you find add setting. You should know that this is allow your advertising client to use your videos in their ads. So this is it. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. And if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.